We've dropped into LMS Precision Engineering. That's a fantastic machine shop. It's a lot about automation. You've got your bar feeders on your sliding head machines, your fixed head machines, your latest Keyence optical measuring system as well. But we want to chat about this machine here, which, well, what is it first of all, Roger?
Well, it's a Matsuura 405 6-pallet machine. It's got 240 tools bolted on the back, full Renishaw probing. It's a perfect lights out machine.
There you go, nice and simple. So when you say 6-pallet, you're running big batch runs of all the same component?
We don't tend to get big batch runs, no. I mean, this job that we've got here typically is a big batch for us, 300 parts. Right. We tend to get a lot of smaller batches, and we just leave the fixtures set up on the machine. Say with the 240 tools bolted on the back, it's ideal. The fixture's permanently on the machine, so we just put the parts in, call the program in, and off we go.
Make it sound nice and simple. So in here then you've got 6 pallets with tombstone?
With tombstones and cubes, so typically we've actually got 24 faces that we can machine from. I'll say we leave fixtures set on every face, and the idea is don't just load one pallet up, load more than one, so that when one comes out, another one goes in, and the spindle keeps turning.
That's it. Music to everybody. Everybody's engineer is keeping those spindles
turning.
Absolutely. So, an example. I mean, you've got 5 jobs here.
5 jobs here. We're running 16 of those at one time, 4 of that one at one time, 4 of those at one time, 6 of those, and 12 of those. We've got two fixtures of 6 of each of those. Start off in a long bar, as you can see. Come out in pairs of 3, and then we put them on the vertical and finish the back off and tap the holes. And jobs are good.
There you go. Make it sound nice and simple. So, like you said there, though, in terms of your fixturing, because you've got loads of different jobs going on, changing the fixturing over and things like some of them are there permanently, but what about accuracy if you do need changeover?
Well, we've got the Lang single point system, so we fit that to the back of our fixtures, so we can remove them very quickly if we need to. Dead accurate, microns.
And also a chick vice as well?
Chick vices, we've got a couple of chick vices that are bolted on there permanently. So obviously we've got plenty of fixture jaws for the chick vices as well. Very quick to change, very quick to get up and running.
And accurate as well?
Very accurate.
So again, you've got loads of different jobs going on, but you mentioned 240 tools. That's not going to be a problem, because that's a lot of jobs, a lot of machining. Never a problem?
No.
Yeah.
No, and on harder materials we got sister tooling, so if you need 2 10mm cutters, you know how much life you're going to get out of one. You just tell it to change to a sister tool through the night, and no problem.
Okay. And this machine itself, fast, accurate, rapid?
50 metres a minute rapids, 12,000 spindle speed, so good for all the inconels, stainlesses.
So it's no problem in any materials basically?
No. We've never stopped this machine.
Okay. So ultimately, you could load this up on a Friday morning, out at Friday lunchtime, back Monday morning, hundreds of jobs done.
That's exactly the plan. Okay. Yeah, that's what it's about.
Brilliant. Roger, great little overview of your Matsuura machine, and obviously LMS Precision Engineering. Thank you very much.
Thank you.